Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go ahead and work with the Close to My Heart Bloom with Grace workshop. This is the last page in the workshop. And as you've seen there, I was just going to do some fall photos. There of my grandpa, my mom, and my son. That's the stamp set, and this is all the cutouts that I've already cut everything apart on, and this is the beautiful sunflower sheet that is going to serve as the background. I'm going to go ahead and get everything stuck down. So this beautiful sheet right here is going to cover up a portion of that sunflower, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick that on. And I'm going to get some adhesive on this strip, and I'm going to line it right next to the other strip. And again, adhere it straight down. And all I'm doing is just running my finger along to make sure that the seam matches up. And then there's one more piece, it's the zip strip. And it's going to run right alongside of the strip I just put down. And I'm going to do the same thing. I am just going to run it right alongside there and get it stuck down. And I do push pretty hard because I just want to make sure that it's adhered to the page. Now right here, when I was actually cutting the sheets, I cut this one just a smidge smaller. Total faux pas on my part, but I'm going to make it work. I'm going to turn all of them to go the same way, and you're not even going to notice that it's short by the time I'm done. I promise. So see, I'm going to line that one up. And I'm just going to get them stuck down, center them. These are the photo mats. Inside of the photo mats, and obviously I'm not going to leave them stuck. And I put the adhesive on the wrong side. So I flip it over. And I am just going to run that one. So it's going to be centered on the 3, and the side that it's short, I'm going to just run it off because the embellishments are going to cover that up. And I'm just going to get these adhered to the big photo mat. And at first I was going to run them horizontal, but we had to go vertical to match the stripe behind. And then I'm going to get this big piece adhered down. That I'm just kind of lighting it up with the patterned paper on the side there. And then I'm going to come in with this big sticker that is going to go in that one, but I'm going to pull it over. And that's going to serve as my journaling spot. I'm going to go ahead and take this very big cactus, and I lightly tack him right there because the picture's got to go. There you go. See? I went ahead and trimmed my photos down off camera and got them to the size I need them. And I'm just going to stick it right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that cactus sticker down. I'm going to adhere this picture. And then we're going to adhere the next picture down. I will leave a link to my website below if anybody would like to pick up this collection. I have really been into, Close to My Heart has really bumped up their mixed media game, so I haven't really been purchasing the paper packets. I've been purchasing all the mixed media because I'm really trying to get into the mixed media. Now, this is a wood veneer title, and it is Smile. Or, if you don't want to use Smile, you can use Slime, because it makes slime too. Or Miles. I'm sorry. So right there, it was like a little wonky on one side, so I just flipped it. And that is going to serve as the title for my page. So the other thing that I have to do, well, this arrow as well is going to go down by the cactus. I'm going to go ahead and pull out that stamp set with the beautiful sunflowers, and I'm going to stamp that right there in the espresso ink, and then I'm going to pull out my Big Shot, and I'm going to die cut that all out. I did that all off screen. Now these sunflowers and the leaves are going to cover up the little faux pas by the heart. See, so by the time I get done, you're not even going to see it because there's one more that's going to go in there. Well, I'm sorry, not one more, that's the leaf. And there you go, you can't even see that I screwed that all up. And I'm just going to go ahead and get the leaves placed down. There is not much more that I'm going to do to this layout. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the layout. Click that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos from me. I'm also playing along over on a website for 31 days of sketches, so stay tuned for, there's going to be some videos that align with what I have already planned with my channels, and then I'm going to have some extra channels or extra videos as well on my channels. I'm going to go ahead and put my journaling on the heart there, and this actually kind of made me sad because I right there at that moment I remembered that was the last holiday that we had spent with my grandpa, and that is actually in the kitchen that I currently am remodeling because I bought his house. So anyway, that was the moment that I had to take for myself, but that is going to be it for this layout after the journaling, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.